Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time, back with Omar Alfaro, his real estate entrepreneur. How you doing, buddy?
Good. What's up, Michael? What's up, everybody?
Hey, man, something I've just added to my channel is called product reviews. This was obviously inspired by Matt and Dion. They had a debate on my channel about which doorknob to use to like get it, like keyless entry, right? One liked a slag and one other one liked something else. So I thought I would ask each of my real estate entrepreneurs or guests this week what products they use in their investment homes or Airbnbs. And you're like, Michael, I make every house special. And then you're like, you know what? There's one thing I use everywhere. So why don't we talk about it and then we'll show it on Amazon. What's the one thing you use in all of your stuff?
I use the Google Nest Thermostat. It's the ultimate. I mean, you can control it from your phone. And if you buy the smart one, it knows that you're in the house. So as you walk by it, it'll kick on the air conditioning. But the minute there's no activity, it shuts off and it gets into economy mode or eco mode, and you're golden. Like, it's the best freaking thing.
Yeah. And again, you put this in your Airbnbs. Do you put this in your rentals? I know you put them in your flips, but.
So I put them in all my Airbnbs, all my vacation houses, my personal home, because I can control it, especially the Airbnbs, because guess what people do? They turn the knob to like 55 degrees, 60 degrees to put the air conditioner on. And then I have automatic presets.
Yeah.
So if they're there, it's at 74, 75, which is still nice and cool if it's 100 degrees outside.
Right.
And then if they go lower, well, guess what? It's only going to go lower for about an hour. And then it goes back,
recalibrates.
Yeah. Yep. That's the best. I'm telling you.
I got to imagine. I was just thinking about this because you have some rentals in Lake Havasu, and I've actually never been there, but it's in Arizona, so I'm guessing it gets hot.
It gets hot. Yeah.
It gets hot.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can imagine if you didn't have this, some guest comes in for a 3-day weekend, they set it at 55. They don't, when they leave, they don't unset it. And if you didn't have this, it's set at 55 until the next guest is there. Woo, that'd be an expensive bill.
It's super expensive bill. We've had it happen.
You're like, we're putting these in. Oh, that's funny. So again,
what sucks?
No, go ahead.
I was gonna say what sucks. You have to have great Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
You have to have Wi-Fi. There's been a couple times that the Wi-Fi went out and you can't control it from your phone. So this is why you have to have that preset stuff set up, because if you don't, it'll stay at, at 55 degrees, and then a week goes by, and then next thing you know, you got a $500 electricity bill.
Oh, so if you're definitely in Airbnbs, the short-term rentals, anything that's going to have high turnover, you have to have this. It just saves you money. If you're 100%. Doing a flip, you put this in all your flips, I'm guessing, or most of them at least.
I put on the expensive ones. I do.
Yeah.
It's
what they expect.
It's just a normal one,
Okay. I'm just asking. All right. And do you have these on your rentals or no? Because the tenants are responsible.
No. A couple of them came with these, but I don't put them on. No.
But they are a must-have for Airbnbs.
Yes, must-have for your personal residence.
Yes.
And your Airbnbs for sure.
And again, how far away are you from your Airbnbs? A couple hours, right?
Couple hours to the ones in Arizona, 3 hours to the ones in Arizona, and then about an hour away from Big Bear.
Okay. And do you have these in Big Bear as well?
Yeah.
In Big Bear, it doesn't get as hot, but it probably gets cold, which is kind of the reverse.
Right. So if you have a heat pump there or a furnace, I still installed it at my at one of them that needed it.
So I have a crazy question. I don't have any short-term rentals. So you have the app on your phone.
Yeah.
Does the app, like inside the app, can you put addresses, or do you have to have, I'm guessing you put addresses. Every house is a different selection. I guess.
I do. So I'll show you all of there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you guys can see.
Oh, okay. Yep. I can see.
Like they're all labeled.
Yeah.
And I even have my office on Nests.
Okay.
So, and there's 2 units here, and I can control it from my phone.
And again, so you control it your phone. You really like the smart mode. What is that? Basically, it senses movement and it reacts.
That's the one right there. The Google Nest Learning Thermostat. That's the one.
There you go. So definitely recommend the learning one if you're going to do any short-term rentals.
Yeah, it's $220. I mean,
and it comes in 2 colors, right? Black, and I think there's a white one.
There's also a brushed bronze too.
Oh, I did not know that.
That one's a cool one.
Yeah. We have this at home. We just have the normal black one. Yeah.
So you have it too, Michael.
We do. Absolutely. Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
it's lifesaver. Yeah.
For sure.
Although I don't think I think Olivia has it on her phone. I don't think I actually put it on my phone, but that's just me.
Okay.
It's all right. So any other things that you would recommend if you're an Airbnb host? Any other things? Thermostat makes a ton. How about locks? Do you put in codes for locks?
Yeah, I also have the Nest. It's called the Nest Connect.
Oh, Nest.
And it's what's the name of it? It's in all of them as well. I can open and close them, and the whole thing. It's all connected, so that's what's cool.
Yeah, very cool. Yeah, I have to imagine if you're in a location that gets really hot or really cold, you have to have the ability to control it from your phone. Having to go there and change it, not a good thing.
No, man, not at all. 3 hours, 2 hours, an hour, no.
Or that, or even paying one of your team members, right? Paying your cleaner, hoping they remember, and
right.
Yeah, just not cool.
Don't leave it up to chance.
No, yeah, you only need one bill to understand you had a problem.
Yeah. Yep, 100%.
I remember one time a tenant in August, which is my hot month in Fresno. It was one of those split units, right, where there's a front house and a back house.
Yeah.
And I swear the back house just left the doors open and cranked the AC 24/7, 300. That was like $1,200 bill. I was like, what the hell?
$100, Jesus.
Yeah, that was more than their rent. So we had a conversation. We fixed that going forward.
For sure.
Omar, where can people find you?
Guys, follow me on IG at Omar_Alfaro, and or go to my website, omaralfaro.com.
Awesome. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.